In front of me is HTC Desire 20 Pro, and let me show you how to activate and use Talkback on the following device. So first of all, you have to open the settings, then find and select accessibility right here and go to Talkback. So here you can smoothly turn it on by tapping on the switcher and click on allow to give all needed permissions. And now it is active, and basically all you need to know about Talkback is all that is written here, but to make it clear, let this Talkback read us what
When Talkback
is it all about.
It provides spoken feedback so that you can use your device without looking at the screen. This can be helpful for people who are blind or partially sighted. To navigate using Talkback, swipe right or left to move between items. Double tap to activate an item. Drag 2 fingers to scroll. To turn off Talkback, tap the switch. You'll see a green outline. Double tap the switch. On the confirmation message, tap OK. Then double tap OK in list 2 items.
So basically all you need to do is to tap on some particular icons, listen, what is this, double tap to select, then use 2 fingers to scroll. Then if you would like to mark some icon or if you'd like to turn Talkback off, just select it, click twice, click on use service to turn it off, double tap to turn it off, click on stop, and again click twice to switch it off. And that would be all, so you can activate, use and deactivate Talkback in your device in your HTC Desire 20 Pro. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.